Before the sun rises and late into the night, they're hard at work. They're the unsung heroes behind the scenes, ensuring that every truck is safe, every trailer repaired, and every tank is spotless. They work tirelessly to provide for their families, balancing the demands of a challenging job with the love and care they give at home. Every truck they touch, every tank they clean, is our promise to keep others safe on the road. Because they know what's at stake. I'm a tank cleaning specialist, a semi-truck mechanic, a tank technician, and I am a father. Call Services, where family meets dedication, values at home and work.